Hello everyone, so I get a package today and I'm pretty excited for it. So let me go ahead and open it. This took a while to come here. Oh my god! So it's my BTS headphones and I paid $14 for UPS and it took the longest to get here. Like it took like a week. So yeah, so it comes with a free wireless charger, with the lenticulars, and with the headphones. So let me open the free charger first, which is this one. I think I need to open it from the bottom. Okay, so look at the color. It's so pretty. It's like dark purple. It's not as light as the phone. So I mean, I'm fine with it, but I would like to have everything the same shade of purple so it matches, you know? But I guess I'm fine with it. And that's it. That's pretty much it. I think it has the guide. Does it even come with a cable? It doesn't. It's just a charger. They don't even give you the cable. Okay. I mean, it's free, so I won't complain. I like free things. And it's BTS team, so if it's free and it's BTS, I like it. So now let's go ahead and open the lenticulars. They are way bigger than I thought. I thought they were gonna be small, and I was gonna put them in my 9 pockets, but they're big, so. Okay, so should I just begin from the back? Oh my god. Can you see this? Oh my god. Wow. Ah. I don't think they fit a 4 pocket. Maybe they do. Hopefully they do. Oh, look at Jimin. How cute. Hobie. Jungkookie. RM. Oh, Taehyung. So these are so good. I really like these lenticulars, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep Jimin by himself in with my other Jimin collection, or I'm just gonna leave it with the group. I'm not sure about it. But okay, let's begin with the headphones. Oh, that's satisfying, you know? Breaking the seal. It has one more in here. And does it have one more? No, I think that's it. So we can just slide it out. It has the same hearts as the phone. Wow. Pretty. So I guess, what's in here? Ooh, the little case. Smart case, I guess. It has a heart. How cute. And what's in here? Oh, the cable. The charging cable and the little, I don't know how to call them, but the little things that you can change the size for the buds. So, okay, it also comes with these. which I completely skip. So it's just more instructions and information, and I don't know. And here's the actual headphones. Wow, they're shiny. This is a shiny purple. It's not like the charger, which is like a little bit matte. This is shiny. Wow. This one is shiny. I feel like I don't want to wear them to just not. Look at this. It has the BTS logo. And it has a heart in here. How cute. Oh, this should be the photo cards. They're the same material of the photo cards from the phone. So here's our end. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep them all, but I'm not sure how to put them in my binder because there's 7. I'll see. I'll figure it out. Maybe I'll keep Jimin by himself and do a setup for 6 photo cards. That's way better than doing one for 7. But I'll figure it out. There are the same pictures of the lenticulars, which I'm kind of disappointed. They should have been, I mean, they could be the same like concept with them wearing the headphones, but you know, different pose maybe. But I guess it should be fine. Let me try the case. It's like this. I feel like it's kind of sticky. And I purple you. I miss BTS. This is making me miss BTS a lot. Oh my god, I like cannot. How do I do this? Oh, I put them like that. I think it's the wrong way. Oh my god. I put it the wrong way. Okay, that looks better. Okay, so it's supposed to be like this. Oh, this is the top doesn't stay there though. Oh, it has a little plastic. So I guess this is like glue. Yeah, it's sticky. I don't want to do that right now. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. But maybe I'll take it off in the future. It's just a smart cover. I think it has like a theme for the phone, but I'm not sure. I will show you like how everything works. Well, maybe I can show you the charger. So this is my charger. It's purple. How convenient. I actually had this for some time, even before they did the purple BTS phone. So let's see if it charges. Yes, it's charging. You can see it here. Cool. So I might use this to charge the headphones, but not my phone because I normally use my phone while charging, and this is not gonna allow me to use it while charging. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm pretty excited and happy about all of these. I'm so excited to put them in my binder, so look forward to that video of me putting all of these photo cards, lenticulars away in my binder. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see if it works. How am I supposed to do this? Supposed to open it? Oh. Yes, connect. Wow. Okay, it's invalid, okay. Wow, let's close it. I don't know which theme I want to keep because I like both of them. So let me try and open it. Wow. Cute. Thanks for watching. Bye.